How to remove saved login info on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can remove saved login info on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, head towards the top right and tap on your profile with the 3-line icon. From this page, again tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you land on settings and privacy, head towards the top section, that is Meta Account Center, and tap on it. Now under account setting, tap on password and security. Then tap on saved login. Now select your Facebook account. So once you land on this page, under other devices and browser, there you will find all the devices and browser where your login information is saved. Simply tap on that devices and your login information will be removed. But if you want to log out of other devices, then you can head back and under security checks, tap on where you're logged in. Select your Facebook account and here you will see the devices where you're logged in. All you have to do is tap on it, and after that you will have an option to log out of the device. So in this way you can remove your saved login info in Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.